my very proud range of products is about the baby care products I have. My venture started after the arrival of my twins. So this baby care has a close connection with my heart because everything, every baby care products are almost 99%, except like a diaper brush cream I use for my boys till now. So this is the baby massage oil and unique formula made specially for baby skin, the tender baby skin, and it is also unique because any age of people can use this. It is, though the name says baby massage oil, any age we can use. This can be used by any age. This specially addresses issues like dry skin, eczema, or psoriasis, or people who have dry skin like flakes, they have found and reviewed this oil has benefited them immensely. So this is made of coconut, sesame, and almond oil, and this has been infused in herbs which are necessary for protecting the baby skin, because the baby skin, as we have been said that it is prone for bugs like bed bugs and all, because that skin is very tender. And as I have seen and heard, baby skin has its unique fragrance that attracts smell. So we infuse this oil blend with herbs, and that is added with essential oils. There are certain essential oils that calms down the babies, like lavender oils. So the babies are very much prone to colic or fuzzy times. So if they use these massage oils, and the babies sleep off nicely, because they, as we all have been hearing and we all know, as much as the baby sleeps, it is better for the mother, it is better for the baby also to recover and to I mean the fuzzy and crying babies, though we love babies, but that does not make every day good for us. So baby massage oil helps the baby to sleep well and gets the baby skin a nourished one and a healthy one also. Use this baby's oil, it is just ready to use. If you prefer, you can warm like as much as the baby can tolerate. So just warm and apply over the skin and give a gentle stroke of massage. Leave for some 15 minutes and wash it off with, yes, this product is called Herbal Baby Bath Powder. This bath powder is a handmade again. This is being running in our family for about 3 generations. So made of green gram dal, wild turmeric, a bit of wild turmeric for antiseptic purposes, and neem. Neem is very much known in our culture for antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties. And we have other herbs like vetiver. Vetiver is again known for skin health, avarampu, and I remember this. My grandmother has been saying for this, my cousin sister. So my mother says this has been running in our family for 3 generations together. So I am very happy because to share this with my friends and clients. And trust me, this has been hitting the porcelain list right from the day one. So this we need to be mixed with water and make a paste and apply over the wet skin and give a gentle massage and wash it off. This is also a multi-purpose powder. Like you can also use for washing your face, use it as a face mask and face pack. If you are having a dry or dark skin, just take a little bit and apply over your neck or any dark skin patches and wash it off. The speciality of this product is this can be used for the babies right from the day one. So I have used for my 3 boys right from their day one. And this is a powder, but not many, like shikakai, many people will not be feeling comfortable in using because it has its own inconveniences. Like not everyone will be feeling comfortable for washing or the scrubby purposes. So for that I came up with another product, the baby soap. Can you see the cute little cherry? So baby soaps come in all cute faces like this: animals, vehicles, and Superman, all those. Sometimes babies resist for bathing. So these cute little baby soaps have been proven the baby bathing time a fun and enjoyable time both for the parents and for the babies. So this is made of coconut oil, neem oil, and turmeric oil with a dash of this baby bath powder, herbal bath powder. So I wish I can pass on the fragrance or the aroma now. Everyone, those who order these soaps, they say that as soon as they open the parcel, they are mesmerized with the fragrance or aroma. Trust me, I'm not exaggerating. I'm happy that everyone feels these products so lovely and close to their heart. And I have also a recent review saying that one of my friend's grandmother, I call my clients as a friends because that feels more connected to the heart and soul. So she said that her grandmother used the bath powder and said she was very much feeling nostalgic. So again, this can be taken as an authenticity for the recipe that dates back to generations. So this soap is not only for babies but for whoever who has a dry skin or sensitive skin. If you use this soap and the baby massage oil, trust me, you don't need any moisturizer further on. Why do you need a chemical moisturizer when you have authentic or handmade 100% chemical free products? So many people who have their babies with eczema and other dry skin conditions, they have said that the baby massage oil and the baby soap itself, these products are priced very nominally. These two products easily come for a month, and these are capable for to shoo away the eczema and all the dry conditions. I have my friend who is watching this right now. She also feels very great about this baby massage oil and baby bath powder. So when I say babies bathing, shampoo is a little nightmare for us because we all know that babies feel a little stringy with the shampoos. So this is a unique formula of baby shampoo, tearless. So this is made of aloe vera, again infused with lavender and chamomile. So these are chemical-free shampoos formulated specifically for babies. And again, these are mild shampoos, so anybody, adults can also use. Though I say the baby care range, except for the diaper rash cream, all other products can be used for all ages. I add a little bit on stress on the baby care because it is mild, chemical free, and you can use these products with no guilt or fear that, oh my god, am I exposing my baby into chemical or the dangerous stuff. So absolutely no guilt of exposing your baby to the chemicals or unsafe products. So this is a tear free shampoo. When I say, so these two, I have a basic combo. I will show the slides of the combos. So these two come as combos for babies. Another hit product of mine is a mosquito repellent cream. This is made of coconut oil and almond oil and with essential oils like citronella. This mosquito cream is a thick in structure, if you can see. It is a buttery texture. So this also acts as a moisturizer. Are you seeing the glass bottles these come in? So cute bottles which you cannot say no to and always reusable for your kitchen or any purposes, like when you can store your important small stuff or any item. Imagination is the limit, right? So these mosquito repellent creams are safe for babies above 3 months. The reason I'm saying 3 months is the babies cannot, the little babies, these fragrances may be heavy. So what you can do is you can take a very little bit, or you can apply on their dress, or you can use on the babies above, for all ages also. So as I said, this also acts as a moisturizer. You may want to repeat the application as per the baby's movement or the sweating pattern. And this is a Vapor Up. Vapor Up is again one of the favorite products of many parents and grandparents here. So this is made of Eucalyptus radiata. Normal eucalyptus is not advisable for anyone, especially for babies. So again, this is a thick in consistency. This has a blend of essential oils. And what is the difference between this and the normal store-bought ones? It is different because it does not have the petroleum products. If you can see any Vapor Up in the store-bought ones, you can see the mention of camphor and petroleum. These products are free of petroleum and camphor products, safe for babies and for all ages. You can use these products with the Vapor Up, apply on your nostrils and apply on your chest, or just like you use for your cold or congestion. These can also be used for... I'm extremely sorry, my twin babies cracked me. I'm extremely sorry. So
no, that's perfectly fine. You're mom of 3, so this is very important that they should also start marketing for you. So it's absolutely fine, understandable. So please go ahead. It's okay if they come on camera.
Yeah. So these you can also use this vapor up for steaming. Like with all these COVID and precautions we are taking up, feel free to take a little bit and drop in your steam vaporizer, and you can see the immediate relief because of the natural ingredients. This is a diaper rash cream, again made of natural unrefined butters and oils. This acts very gentle on baby skin. In this note, I would strongly recommend and suggest, because as I have raised my twins, I have never used disposable diaper on them. So I hardly had any rashes for them. But when I had repeated requests for diaper rash cream and they made this product, I had results and reviews saying that it acts very gentle on the baby skin, and matter of one day or a couple of uses, the rashes are vanished for all. So you choose sustain, because we have store bought and chemical products at all price ranges. I agree, but they do carry their own plus and minuses. They may appear as nominal or reduced prices, and you may find these products priced a little bit above. But remember that all these products have natural ingredients. Like if you can compare, I'm not sure if I can do, like if you would prefer homemade food, because that carries a lot of love and affection, and always you choose the authentic and superior ingredients. Just like that, all these products are made literally in my kitchen, and I don't compromise. Like there, if you take, and when I stress on unrefined butters, I mean the butters are not stripped of any cosmetic or therapeutic values. They might look dull in color. Refined butters may look so bright in color, but unrefined butters or cold pressed oils are far better when you compare with refined butters or synthetic or refined oils, because the when you need these ingredients to get the therapeutic value. So these products are priced because a little bit higher, because they carry the results for this. I would like to share a couple of combos which we offer from Sugam Handmade. One moment. So this is a travel. Are you able to see
Yes.
the? Yeah.
Yes.
So this is a basic travel combo for babies. So this has a mosquito repellent cream, vapor up, and a diaper rash cream. So this is priced as 850 rupees if you are traveling with your baby. And we don't know like if the place is much mosquito prone, or if the weather is erratic, or you might end up with cold. So, and accidentally, if you for the delayed or prolonged travels, if a baby ends up with diaper rashes, so we have this combo at 850 rupees. And there is one more. One moment. I'm sorry. One moment. One moment. So this is the baby basic combo, which has a baby baby soap, and a baby tearless free shampoo. This is priced as 340 rupees. And for Krishna Jayanti coming up, not only for Krishna Jayanti, we thought motherhood is a journey to celebrate, and every mother needs to be pampered as well. So when you have a baby, like all the attention goes for the baby only. So we thought we should come up with a separate hamper for the baby as well, baby and the mom as well. So we have a combo called Ma and Me. That has a red wine soap for the baby. One moment, I'll try to get the picture. One moment. Or I'll go ahead with the details. The Ma and Me's combo, as the name says, it is for the Ma and also for the baby. So for the mother, we have a red wine soap. Red wine soap is known for giving a glow to the skin. So the mother looking after the baby with all the sleepless nights, she might have a dull skin also. So a red wine soap helps in getting the skin a good glow. and also a lip balm for her. Already she is beautiful with a baby or with a smile. To enhance a smile, a little bit of lip balm. And for the baby, it has a baby soap. As you see, this is a car-shaped soap and the baby shampoo. So these are the combos we have. Um, so we ship pan India. We are present in Facebook and also in Instagram. To order our products, you can log into our website www.sukhamhandmade.com. That is SUKHAM handmade HANDMADE. I'll show you the website. So this is our website. So this brand is created. It is curated by a mother. So we have skincare, hair care, foot care, and baby care products here. So support our journey, and SukhamHandmade.com has been in the service for the past 1.5 years, and we are happy with the customer response and referrals, and with the feedback. So thank you, Vidu, for taking us to altogether a different platform.